If control center for application is slow, then first you have to check the printer connection. Make sure you have the printer connected properly into your system. So if unable to recognize the printer, then there is a high possibility that the control center for stuck on loading and for might become slow. Fix 2, if you have large files stored in the desktop, then you have to remove all the files since large storage in the desktop will cause performance issue. Hence, the control center for application is slow. And if you have multiple applications opened in the background, then you have to close all the applications and relaunch the control center for application. Close the control center for application, then also close it from the task tray. Right click on the control center for application and close it. Now refresh your system and make sure your recycle bin is low. Sometimes large size of files in the recycle bin might cause performance issue. And also clear the temp file in your system. Go to the search bar and type percentage temp percentage to open the temp folder. Contains all the temporary files. So if you have too many temp files, then it might also cause performance issue. Press Ctrl plus A to select all the files and press Shift plus delete to delete all the files permanently so that it will not store in the recycle bin. And if any file is open, then you cannot delete the respective temp file. So mark the checkbox near do the sub for all current items and select skip and wait for the deleting process to complete. So now the temp file is deleted. Now go to app data and go to roaming and check for the control center for folder. If any application opens, it will store in the app data, and the next time if you open the application, it will first check the app data instead of the original source file. So if any temporary corrupted data stored in this folder, then it might cause performance issue for the respective application. So right click on the control center 4 and delete it. And also if any file stored in the recycle bin, then right click on it and empty recycle bin. Now refresh your system. If you want, you can also restart your system and double click on control center 4 application to open it. So since you have deleted the app data, you have to select between the mode. So select advanced mode and click OK and click OK. So now you can see the control center for application in the taskbar and it opened successfully. Now you can see the control center for performance issue resolved. If not, then antivirus program might be blocking the control center for application to perform well. So you have to disable or add control center for application to the exception in respective antivirus program and launch the control center for application. You will see the error resolved. Fix 2, you have to exclude control center for application from scanning in your antivirus program. So if you are using Noton, then open my Noton application and go to open. Near device security, if you can only find fix now, then you have to click fix now to resolve any issues which is detected by antivirus program. Once the process is completed, go to settings and click antivirus and go to scans and risk, and under exclusions and low risk you can see the configure button near items to exclude from scans, items to exclude from auto protect, script control, behavior protection and download intelligence detection. So you click on the configure button and click add folders from the opened window and click browse icon to add items and go to item you wish to exclude. Then you have to add the path C program files into 86 control center 4. Make sure you have enabled include subfolders and click OK and click apply. Then click OK to save your changes. So you have to repeat the same step for item to exclude from auto protect as well. So once the file is added successfully, the Control Center 4 application is now free from scanning. If you are using McAfee, then open the application and go to My Protect widget icon. Then under Device, click Real Time Scanning. Under Excluded Files, click Add Files and add Control Center 4 application. So the default file path is C program files into 86 Control Center 4 folder. Once you have added, it will be free from scanning. Now if you see the Control Center 4 application, it will work fine.